We believe in financial and investment education, and that is why we want to give you as many tools as possible for you to do your own research. And during that process, have a bit of fun as well. And we believe to have fun, you have to first spend some time learning all the basics. And with that knowledge, you can easily set off and enjoy the journey. This is the purpose of our guide. So what is guide? Guide is all about our ranking methodologies and calculations. And we want to share all of them transparently with you so that you can take them, trust them, and use them. So inside the app, you have a guide tab dedicated for all the articles that we write about, from stock analysis by different factors to fund analysis, as well as to some of the tricks and tips about how to best use the app, such as filters and collections. So once you tap into the guide tab, you will see the 3 first articles. They're really the basics about what we're trying to achieve, how to use the app, and also a bit of information on our pricing. And then you have a dedicated section for quality analysis. And during this section, we talk about how we define quality, how we do the calculations, and how you can use the quality framework to find quality companies. And more importantly, if you care a level deeper and want to know about our methodologies, you can click into the article, and that gives you all the explanations. And some of them are quite professional. We try our best to dim down the jargons and the terminologies. And right after quality, you have value and momentum section. They follow the same pattern and structure. You will see articles about their definitions, how to use them as a framework to find value and momentum companies, all the different metrics we use when we do calculations for rankings on value and momentum. And now moving on to the next part, which is fund. And here you have all the basics about the difference between a stock and fund, when you should consider a fund instead of a stock, and also use our checklist to find a good fund to invest in. And the last part is about using our filters, and you will have some of the advanced options in terms of filtering and different sort options. And this is all about finding new investment ideas on our own, because we believe sometimes it's important, even though that we give you all the insights to you, but we also respect if you want to do some of the heavy lifting yourself, you should have the tools to do that. So overall, going back to the transparency point, we want to be fully transparent about our rankings and our different calculations, and it's all about having your trust. So go ahead and have a read and let us know what do you think.